1, 2, go.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
I want to introduce you guys. This is Timothy Mitchell.
Hi, everyone.
He just came on.
I'm a guest on Carissa's YouTube channel, which is it is like the most it's the best YouTube channel for digital printing and cutting on the market. No question.
Well, Flash Custom Transfers, of course, and Shelly and Carl, and Straight Outta Content. Hi, everybody. I just want you guys to know we're so happy to have you here at ISA and, of course, our new booth. But really, the exciting news is that we have the legend here with us. I know Timothy Mitchell is new here,
yes,
but he's not new to the industry. Everybody knows him. Everybody understands his knowledge is key and is going to be a great asset for Mimaki. Would you please tell them a little bit about yourself?
Well, thank you, Carissa, for that lovely over-introduction. Look, my name is Timothy Mitchell. I've been in digital printing since 5.5-inch floppy drives and Gerber track cutting. I've run about every printer there is. Finally, I had this enormous opportunity to work with Mimaki. I'm old friends with a lot of, for example, with Ken and Josh and all the guys here. So it's sort of a reunion. And we've come to change, really to shake things up here a little bit. We want to do things a little differently. We want to utilize all of these demo facilities that Mimaki has. Mimaki has 6 of them. Where I am in Atlanta, or just outside of Atlanta, we also have facilities in New Jersey, Toronto, Milwaukee, where you are, in Texas,
yes,
as well as Los Angeles. And we want these demo centers to be utilized absolutely to the full. That's my responsibility. When the customer comes in, I may not be at that site, but I want to make sure somebody greets you, somebody welcomes you, asks you all the right questions about what you would accomplish, and then go through our portfolio and determine, and it's an enormous portfolio. We have every conceivable type of printer. We have eco-solvent, we have UV lines, we have UV flatbeds, we have specialty UV bench, we have DTF, the best DTF, and we have our killer dye sublimation, the Tiger.
Yes.
So we have all of the different products you'd be interested in. We ask the customer, what is it you want to do? And then we figure out what is the best printer for you. And we probably have a printer that's perfect for what you want. That's what I do. And then we're going to film everything because I want to capture what we know. All of this intelligence at these demo centers, like all the stuff you know, is just phenomenal. We want to get it out into the world and let people know Mimaki engineering, absolute precision with American creativity and know-how. It's a perfect combination.
We're going to make sure and help you guys learn new products, how to make money, how to make sure that you're utilizing the production to increase your production, increase those profits, and give you ideas. And that's the main part of what I want to do, is show you cool stuff, how to make money. So I really want to say thank you to Flash Custom Transfers. Thank you, Shelly and Carl.
And tell them your YouTube channel.
Oh, yes. So we have a YouTube channel, of course, at Mimaki USA YouTube, and then my YouTube channel at Texas Mimaki YouTube, right? So follow us on Instagram, follow us on LinkedIn. He also, will you please tell them about your social media? Because I want you to follow
my social media
him.
is a little bit on hiatus. Okay, I bet there's a practical printer for a long time.
Yes.
We're going to let that sit for a bit, and I'm going to focus on Mimaki's demo facilities and what we can do for Mimaki Central at the headquarters location in Atlanta, but also all of the individual sites, which I'm going to be touring regularly. If you use Mimaki equipment anywhere in the US and you have a good story, all right, you're doing something interesting, you're doing something cool. If you can be anywhere near those demo centers, please let me know. I'm going to be doing the demo center tour, and I want to tell your story.
Yes.
I want people to see what the printers are capable of and what our creative people at the grassroots level are doing, because it's always amazing how interesting the stuff they do that I never would have thought you could do with the printers, and that's what I'm looking for. So if you've got a good story, or you want to showcase your work or your portfolio or things you're really proud of, get with me, man. I want to tell that story.
All right, thank you guys.
No, we're good. We're at a trade show, man. It's live, you know. It rolls the way it rolls. I mean, it's fluid. Let's put it that way.
That's right. All right, more to come. Follow us, and thank you, Shelly, Carl.
It's an honor to be on your channel and your channel as well. Thank you very much. Let me know your stories all the way. Bye.
Bye.